There's the log. And all over there is what I can watch from up here. I'm gonna walk down that way. I sat here for a couple minutes, didn't see anything. That's really good. Oh, and I got a new hat from Cabela's. Nice mask. Looks great. Found him. Here's the deer. Way down there. Baby deer, I believe. I'm sitting and watching. See if I can get out my binoculars. So, I saw two. Editor Bob here. I did not realize how weird I looked. Two baby deer today. Pretty good for about like 20 minutes of just nature watching. I'm gonna head back home now because it's starting to get a little too hot. But I never explored that section of it, so that was fun. Okay, catch you next time.